Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. Whenever we write a research article or dissertation or PhD thesis or any academic writing, it is very difficult and challenging to write it as per international standards. Therefore, in today's video, I'm going to share with you an AI tool by using which you can improve and enhance your academic writing skills manifold. This tool checks grammatical mistakes. It can perform paraphrasing. It will provide citations by itself, and it also gives suggestions to write more relevant content in your academic writing. It is just like Word document, and if you export it, then there is no need of formatting. It will format your document automatically. This tool is quite fast and it has access to 20 million plus research papers that you can use to cite in your research writings. And the name of the tool is AI Writer by scispace. And I'll also give the link to that AI tool in the description box. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, in Google, we'll just type typeset.io. We'll get this first link and we'll click over here. There is a menu bar on the left hand side and there are various options in it. We'll click over this option AI Writer. Then this AI Writer will be opened for you and it will ask you to start writing by clicking this button. But before that, I would like to tell you that what it can do. Cite as you write. As you can see here, after writing a certain paragraph, you can click on cite and it will give you a list of citations. You will just select that option and click on cite. Then that thing will be added in your document. Add your own or get help from scispace to discover citations from 280 million plus research papers. The main benefit of using AI Writer of scispace is that it is having a huge database of research papers through which you can write your paper very easily. Another option is that auto-complete your thoughts. When you write something, it will give you suggestions in this gray color. If you like the sentence that it has written for you, then you can press the tab. Then that sentence will be added to your document. तो आप जो भी कंटेंट अगर आपको ये पसंद आता है, अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के हिसाब से अप्रोप्रिएट लगता है, then you can add it to your document by pressing the tab. That means auto completion can be done. Next is limited only by your imagination. Save notes across our ecosystem and just start writing. It's that easy. कई बार क्या होता है कि जो कंटेंट हमने राइट किया है उसको हम फ्यूचर के लिए सेव करके रखना चाहते हैं. Then you just select that content and click on save to Hawking. Then that content will be saved for using later on. And export on the fly. Once your document is complete, you can export it in the Word format, that is in docs format, by clicking over export as docs. Now let me tell you how to write using this AI Writer. I will click on start writing. Then this Word-like document will be opened for you. Here all the options of writing are described for you. First of all, I'll clean this document and I will write about my own topic. Let's suppose my area of research is mental health awareness and its importance in modern society. I will click on AI Writer and और ये मेरे से पूछ रहा है कि इसके बारे में वो क्या लिखे. Then I will choose from here write introduction. AI is writing. You can see that AI is writing an introduction of this topic. You can see it has written a very well-mannered introduction on this topic, mental health awareness and its importance in modern society. After that, it is giving a suggestion in this gray color. If I like this suggestion, then I will click on tab or I can also press tab from the keyboard. That means this content I would like to add in my document. And if I want to cite something, I will click over cite. It is giving suggestion of many papers over here. I can go through these papers or I will click on cite. Then it will cite that paper into this document. That means this particular line has been taken from this paper. So it has also given citation of that paper, and that citation will be added at the end also automatically in APA format. You can see over here. तो आप देख सकते हैं कि इस तरह से हम बहुत इजीली पेपर राइटिंग कर सकते हैं by using AI writer of scispace. Or by completing the document, I can click on export as docs, which is given over here, and then that document will be downloaded as a Word file. If you want to compare scispace AI writing with other AI writers, then this comparative chart is given over here. You can go through this chart and then you will come to know how it is better than other AI platforms. And in frequently asked questions, all the queries that will occur in your mind will be cleared. Can I use scispace for free? Yes, the scispace research writer can be used for free. However, the free version comes with a certain set of limitations, including the number of times you can use it at one go. Can the content written by scispace writer pass through AI detectors? जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी काफ़ी वीडियोस में आपको बताया है कि जो भी हम AI राइटर से या ChatGPT से कंटेंट लिखवाते हैं वो AI रिटन कंटेंट में आ जाता है। तो जो हम यहाँ से जो हम इसके AI राइटर से कंटेंट लिखवाएंगे, वेदर इट इज सेफ, तो व्हाट इज आंसर? AI is constantly improving and so is AI detection software. While we have taken measures to make sure the content is good enough to pass as human, there will be instances where you may need to use your own writing capabilities to humanize it. आप जो भी कंटेंट इससे जनरेट कराएंगे एक बार उसको ज़रूर अच्छे से देखिए और उसमें से कुछ लाइनें अपनी तरफ से भी ज़रूर चेंज कर लीजिए. That would be more beneficial to you. Can I write in different languages? So this AI writer supports 75 plus languages in which you can write your article or your content. Can I cite in any format? Currently it supports APA format. And do my uploaded papers remain private? जो भी आप पेपर अपलोड करके साइट करवाएंगे तो ये उसके बारे में है कि whether there is a privacy. Absolutely. We deeply value your privacy and your papers will always remain yours. तो आप जो कंटेंट क्रिएट भी कर रहे हैं वो भी यहाँ पे सेफ रहेगा और वो आपके लिए ही जनरेट किया गया है. इट विल नॉट बी शेयर्ड विद अदर ऑडियंस. So by using scispace, you can write your content very easily. You can do research writing, thesis writing, and you can write your research articles, books, blog writings, etc. As I already told you, certain features are free of cost on this site. If you want to access it full-fledged, then you need to subscribe it. And the link is given in the description box by which you can subscribe this AI tool and enhance your academic writing. I hope you find this video useful for you. If you have any doubt or queries, then you can ask me in the comment box. And you can also email me at this email address. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you friends. Thank you so much.